All right. What is going on, guys? Welcome to Stock Talk with Nico Criticos. Today, we are going to be doing some stock analysis for Avis Budget Group, ticker CAR. And that is because this stock has had some crazy volatility lately. As you can see, in the last month, this stock went from $100 all the way up to over $800, and now it's back down to $200. So let's see what's going on with this stock and why did it have that crazy volatility, as well as is this stock a decent investment opportunity. So, projected earnings, analysts expect a significant loss of over $7 a share. This is largely due to the kitchen sink restructuring strategy management implemented last year. Revenue estimate is about $2.4 billion. If we look at what they did last quarter, we're looking at 2.6. So revenue is really not trending in the right direction. As you can see by this chart, it's been flat for almost 5 years now. Then we have investors are going to be watching revenue per day, depreciation per unit. And here we go. This is what happened. Short squeeze. The stock went to $847 before going back down to the $200 range. Data shows that a staggering 62% short interest of the free float, which is crazy. Anytime this happens with a stock, this causes a situation like this. I've seen it with Tesla. I've seen it with not AMD, AMC and GameStop. And this is just, whenever there's a stock in this sort of situation, it can do crazy things like this. This makes the stock a special situation where price moves are driven by forced short covering rather than quarterly earnings. Most Wall Street analysts carry a strong sell or underweight rating with a mean price target of only $114. Management is tightening its fleet to better match actual demand, avoiding the oversupply issues that they had last year. A major growth catalyst, this one is interesting, for this year is the planned launch of a public fleet operations partnership with Waymo in Dallas. Waymo has been um, just expanding a lot lately, and I saw their vehicles in Nashville. It's kind of weird. It's weird to see them driving, but it looks like they're doing a good job with that, and that's probably going to work out pretty well with Google and whoever else they partner with. This positions Avis as a primary service provider for the AV revolution. They recently shortened the useful life of its EV from 36 months to 18 months. That's crazy. That's a big drop. This allows them to recycle capital faster and stay ahead of rapid technology in the EV market. Their primary advantage is the ability to manage a massive global fleet of millions of vehicles, which requires intense capital and sophisticated software. As one of the largest sellers of used cars, they benefit significantly when used car prices rise, as it lowers their net depreciation costs. That's a good point. The physical footprint at a major global airports remains design and advantage that new tech-based competitors like Turo still struggle to replicate. They carry significant debt that they may activate a 5 million share at the market offering. Oh, Jesus, that'd be bad. A projected 80,000 ton lithium shortage could raise the cost of maintaining their EV fleet. And any slowdown in corporate travel or consumer spending could suppress rental volume. This is probably not a stock I'm interested in being in. Their financials are not good. Revenue is flat. Free cash flow and net income are negative. They have a ton of debt, over 8 billion in debt, only 500 million in cash. There's really not a lot going. What's the price to sales on this stock? Look at that. Um, so let's see. The price, yeah, the price to sales is so low. This is crazy. 0.3. That's crazy. 0.3. So yeah, I don't know. I agree with the analysts. The stock should probably be $100. The weird thing is, why does it say Gap EPS is going to be $3 this year and then $7 next year? Because so I mean, even at that price though, the stock should still be like what, 150 bucks or something. So this is just a bad one all the way around. If anybody got into that huge short squeeze, let me know down below because that would be nice if anybody could pull that off and invest, within a couple weeks, make 7x on your money. If anybody did that, let me know down below. Other than that, let me know if there's any other stocks you want me to make videos on, and I will see you in the next video.